Find the area of the trapezoid that has a base of 6, a second base of 6.5, and a height of 2.5. So let's draw one. It doesn't have to be to scale, but it just gives you an idea of what we're working with here. It says one of the bases is 6 and the other base is 6.5. The height of the trapezoid, so it's 90 degrees in relation to the base, is 2.5. Hopefully you've memorized by now that the area of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. We find the average of the bases because that average will work itself out to be a rectangle of sorts if we played that out. But let's just go with what we got here. Let's go base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. Okay, the worst part of this one's problem is probably going to be the doing the math. 6 plus 6.5, let's make sure that we line up the decimals and add them together. We end up with 12 and bring the decimal straight down. 12.5 divided by 2. Oh my, 2 goes into 12 6 times. And then we can bring the 5 down. 2 goes into 5 2 times. So we're going to keep going though because it didn't come out even. Whoops, 2 times is 4, I'm sorry, which is 1. Now we can go 5 and then bring the decimal straight up. So now we have 6.25 is the result of averaging the bases. Now we have to multiply it times the height. So we're not done yet. Don't have to line up the decimals when you multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 5 is 10, 11, 12. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1 is 31. Now we have to account for the place value because we're multiplying by 2 wholes, or 25 tenths, so however you want to think of it. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 6 is 12. Now we got to add them up. Sorry, I ran out of room down here. We're just going to bring it over here. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. I think this was a 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Yikes. How many decimal places do we have to move over? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we end up with 15 and 625 thousandths. Goodness, I feel like checking this, but I will afterward, and if it's wrong, you won't see this.